Oh no! Baby Spooky keeps crying. There's no way to make him stop. We've tried everything, even the best funny faces. But he won't stop crying. Guys, what if we try with a sound book? This is a book to learn the sounds of Pokemon. Look, it's Pikachu. And when we press the button, we hear his Pika Pika.
Pika Pikachu.
Oh, look! It's Charmander, a fire-type Pokemon. Wow! Amazing! Yes! It's Squirtle, a water-type Pokemon. It's so fun! I love this book. And last but not least, Bulbasaur. What's its sound? Wow! We have gotten the baby to stop crying. And now he won't stop laughing. Welcome to the garage. Today we built the Addams Family car. Even the Addams Family car needs them to move. Robot helper, bring the wheels, please. That's it! And here comes the chassis. To move right and left, bring a beautiful, sturdy steering wheel. What's next? Oh, right, the engine. Thanks for reminding me, Robot Helper. Robot Helper! We need some seats so Wednesday can sit comfortably. Thank you! We've got the main parts of the car in place, but the Addams touch is missing. Wow, that's so cool! Total Addams style. Important. Lights, candelabra, and a dragon tail? But if there's the tail, where's the head? Oh, wow! I didn't expect this! And now, all we have to do is paint! Uncle Fester is going to love this! How cool! Thank you so much, girls and boys! With your help, the Addams family can now travel! See you next time! Let's play Spot the Difference in this episode!
Yeah!
It's time to play the Spot the Difference game. Can you find 5 differences between these 2 pictures? Time's running out. You have to look harder. Tick tock, tick tock. You only have 15 seconds left to find them. I'm missing one. I can't find it. I found it. Come on, you can do it too. Time's up. Have you found them all? Let's see it. 1, 2, that one's easy. 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Let's continue the episode. Shh. Hi! Wow, I see it's Easter egg hunt time. I love it. You found lots of eggs. Let's see. Monkey, your basket is full. Wow, Caddy, how cool. Can you remember that you can eat them all in one day? But Kit, can I tell you something? Your basket is beautiful, but there's not a single egg in it. Oh no! Where are the eggs? The Easter eggs. Can't find my eggs. Where are the eggs? They're colored chocolate and taste great. The Easter bunny loves, I love them. Are those the eggs? Let's look for them. Are those the eggs? The Easter eggs. Colored in chocolate and taste great. The Easter bunny loves, I love them. The Easter eggs. Where could they be? Can't find the eggs. I want them, please. I'll find them all. Just wait and see. The Easter bunny hid them here. Are those the eggs? Let's look for them. Are those the eggs? The Easter eggs. Colored in chocolate and taste great. The Easter bunny loves, I love them. Where are the eggs? The Easter eggs. Can't find my eggs. Where are the eggs? Colored in chocolate and taste great. The Easter bunny loves, I love them. The Easter eggs. Where could they be? Can't find the eggs. I want them, please. I'll find them all. Just wait and see. The Easter bunny hid them here. Oh, I won't ever find the eggs. What? Are those Easter eggs? Are those the eggs? The Easter eggs. I found the eggs. The Easter eggs. Colored in chocolate and taste great. The Easter eggs. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Everybody! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and and toes, knees and toes. Now let's try faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Even faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Monkey finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Granny finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Kid finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Caddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Kangoo finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?